What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Flow Your Creativity tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm actually going to talk to you about the curve tool in Photoshop and also how you can make your photos pop with the highlights and the darks and the shadows. So without further ado, let's get this started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing here is duplicating the image by pressing Command J. Once you have that duplicate image, we're going to be going to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Make sure the pixels are set at 23.3 or anything around that area, just to give it a little blur here and there. Just don't overdo it. After that, let's go to opacity and slide it all the way to almost like around 15%. And also have a little glow here and there. After that, you guys want to have to go to the curves. And what I want to do here is right click and convert to create clipping mask, so that way we only affect the duplicate image. Now what we're doing here is putting 3 points on the curves here. Basically one for the highlights, mid-tones, and the darks. And for the lights, we're actually going to drag it up. We're going to be hitting up that midpoint over here. Drag it up. And after that, the third point in the bottom, we're just going to slide that down so it can give that great contrast. And that's going to do it for this photo. So what I basically did here is make the highlights pop, mix the shadows and then the darks here pop a little bit more, so that way the photo doesn't give out like some sort of faded feel to it, so what some photos do. But basically I just want my photo to stand out a little bit more, give it a more contrast here and there, as you can see in this photo. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's tutorial. If you found it very informative, make sure to give it a like and comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And always remember to follow your creativity. Peace.